Hello everybody, and in this video we're just doing a little voiceover just because this video is just split and chopped all to pieces. Mainly I'm doing this just to show you all what I have done with this car so far and accomplished. As I am talking and while you're watching this, it's been about probably 5 months since I've actually posted a video on this car specifically. Why? Because I've been lazy and there's been so much going on. So with that being said, really this is just me tearing the engine apart and redoing the head gasket. So last video we watched, you saw it was blowing a lot of smoke. So it was really just the head gasket that was the issue to this car, and that's what I'm doing in this video, taking off the head and replacing the head gasket. Now I might as well just go ahead and say, so I can explain to you all in the next videos. We're going to be installing some coilovers, a steering wheel with a quick release, and a couple other things in the interior and exterior. After that, I mean, I'm to the point now. I have a bunch of other things I'd prefer not to say. You know, when the videos are posted, you'll know. But that's pretty much it of this car right now. There's nothing else that I've really done other than other parts that we're going to be getting to eventually in the next month or so. And that's actually doing the car over. I'm just going to put it that way, just redoing the car once again, but a lot bigger and better. So with that, we'll just finish up this little voiceover and you guys can watch the little pieces that I threw in here just to get an idea of what I'm doing in this video, and that's it. We also have a little segment at the end of it of me driving it for the first time. The clutch fan's bad. There's just little like quirks that I need to get fixed with this car, which are already fixed. So in the next couple of videos you will see that. So I just wanted to voice this over once again just to catch up with where I'm at and explain myself on why these next few videos are going to be not the best, because I am really behind and a lot of the videos will not want to download and it's just being a pain in the neck and it's kind of getting frustrating. So I kind of want to clarify this video up. The next videos, they might be a little pieced together. But other than that, yeah, just go through and check it out. You'll see the head gasket, it was in extremely bad shape. You'll see there was coolant all in the cylinder wall, to be expected with this bad of a blown head gasket. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. That's how you know, that's wild. See down there? Maybe?
I have to switch it to the other light.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. There it is. Oof.
The compression. Because see, it's broke this inner ring. And then, see, that's black. It's fried it.
Gotcha.
And so I'd say it may be stuck to the head still.
Alrighty. So I didn't record much, but we got the head out. And there's the gasket, which is going to be replaced. So
It still has a solid crosshatch in it still. And it's used.
where the coolant's at right there.
It's used, but I'd say
No, not 320,000 miles used. Right. It's not like 320,000 miles used. You'd say that's been replaced, you said?
it's probably been redone, refreshed, at least. Because this car's been, so far what I can tell, extremely well taken care of.
What are, so these two right here, why do these stick out? Is that just to set the head down, or?
This,
Yeah, there's.
they're like alignment shims for the head, so whenever you go to get your
Seat
new
it.
gasket and seat your head back on,
Okay.
these are just alignment dowels, so it sits, the head sits right into it.
Okay.
So you don't have to fight the head and get the head bolt.
Line it up right.
Yeah, lines it up for you.
She's officially out of the garage and moving on her own wheels, own brakes, and engine is solid. What the heck, guys? Can't believe. All right, guys, I know. Honestly, I just gotta say this. You guys probably never meet him, but he's a great guy. I need to get him one of my videos. His name's Justin. Big thanks to Justin. Without him, this would have been a nightmare. Crazy. What the heck? So when I opened the door, what? That is so crazy. And that's awesome. Feels pretty solid for OEM for now. Okay, guys. Should I take a fire extinguisher just in case? I'm not gonna jinx it, but just in case, I'm going to get a fire extinguisher. I have one just for safety precautions. I wouldn't say anything's gonna happen, but I don't want this thing blowing up at all. So, okay. She's up to temps pretty much. Let's put this bad boy back here. Doesn't hurt. Just to know she's there. Let's let her sit. See if she overheats or something. She should not, so. Let's give her a little drive, guys. Oh, I'm nervous. Let me pull my seat more. I'm short. There we go. All right. Definitely need some new components in the front. Everything kind of works. I can hear the brakes grinding. They just need to be. Whoa. What was that? Let's check that out really quick. That did not sound good. Okay, I don't like the seatbelt right now. We're taking them out. Just kind of lurched forward there. I think it was this maybe. That's fluid burning off, I know that. Let's get these brake calipers cleaned off. Let's get right down here. Whew, I'm nervous. Oh, shut up. Put this one on. There you go. Solid. Oh yeah, the brakes definitely need to be pumped. Needs brake fluid. Let's give a good little. Yeah, those definitely need to be upgraded or something, guys. Oh, she's a shaky boy. In the third, we're solid right now. We are solid. She looks like she might be overheating a little bit. I can't tell. Give her a little bit of power. Does the e-brake even work? Nope. All right, time for a hydro. That'll work as e-brake. Oh, 9 gear. Uh-oh. There's Justin. Got it running, boy. Hell yeah, dude. Damn right. Yeah, she's still ugly, but I got coilovers coming, wheels, tires. These are just temporary. I also got a, what else I get? Shit, I got an exhaust. I'm excited. You gonna be there tonight?
I just basically I've been doing a bunch of rattle canning.
Have you? Hell yeah. Awesome.
Hey.
Oh, that looks pretty. Damn, that looks good. Did you spray that in there? Really? Hell yeah, dude.
I did the same thing like I did with my motor.
Am I in the way? You can come on. Here you go. I got a power steering leak in this I gotta take care of though.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't have much power steering though right now anyways. That looks good.
Basically all I did is like the same thing with my motor, I painted blue.
Uh-huh.
I got leaves off the tree, laid them over top of it, and then went black over top of it.
Hell yeah. All right, buddy. Well, I'll see you here soon then.
Oh yeah, I'll see you down there.
She's running. All right, guys. Next, let's get her back to the house and we'll go from there. So I'm gonna drive around for a little bit longer, make sure she don't overheat, and then go from there.